Hi everyone, this is my first Adobe Photoshop CS3 tutorial, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make text with fire style text. First, click File, New, preset size is 500 by 500 or choose anything you want. Click OK. Then click paint bucket tool, then fill it with black, then click new layer, text style, click the text tool, then there you are. Type the text you want to make a style. Fire. Okay, there is it. You can resize it if you want. And resize myself. And there you are. And then next thing is you click the right. If you don't have this icon here, you can right click and click for smudge tool. Okay. Then you should check for this strength better than 50 and hardness better than 40 or 50. You can choose your own master diameter. I'd choose 9 or add another pixels. Now let's start. You can create the fire. We use this smudge tool button to create the fire everywhere of the text, anywhere of the text. Yeah, you can do like that, anything you want. After doing these things, after doing the thing that you do it all over the text. After doing that, click this one, color balance, then click on the shadows. This one you adjust it to 70 to the right. This one negative 70 to the left. Just leave it 0 magenta. Same as shadows. You click this one, do the same with shadows. 70, negative 70. Just leave it 0, 70. Yellow 70, or anything you want, as long as you have the fire texture. Then click OK. Then there is it. You have the fire text style. Here's the finished product. Isn't it cool? So thank you for the view, and view my next video once again.